today's tutorial, I want to show you how to return multiple lookup values in one comma separated cell with Kutools for Excel. If you have Kutools for Excel installed, this task will no longer be a problem. The advanced combine rows utility may help you combine all relative values based on a column. Select the data range that you want to combine all matching values based on a column. Click the Kutools tab. In the Range and Cells group, click the Merge and Split drop-down list and select Advanced Combine Rows option. In the Advanced Combine Rows dialog box, click the column name that you want to combine based on, and then click the primary key. Then click other column name that you want to combine their matched values, and click Combine to choose one separator to separate the combined values. I will select comma. Then click the OK button. All the corresponding cells with the same value have been combined into one cell, which are separated with the comma. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.